Nobody wants to have acne, but at the end of the day, it's a natural thing of life and you're gonna get it. So, hi guys and welcome to my channel. Now, I used to film videos for YouTube when I was 15 or 14, around that sort of age, and I wouldn't put videos out regularly and I was getting hate from people, so I stopped completely. I recreated it, I'm back, and this is going to be my first video. Today we're going to talk about my skincare because I have had acne for the past 6, maybe 7 years. So basically ever since I became a teenager, basically got acne, was really bad, using loads of different products, using loads of different cleansers, moisturisers, blah blah blah, all that boring stuff. And obviously throughout the years of testing it out, I have come across a lot of ways to help maintain and calm your skin so that it doesn't look like you've got loads of acne, and if done all the time, you might get rid of your acne depending on how bad it is. Water. Now, I never used to drink loads of water, and going, in school during lessons, you'd always take like a bottle of water into school with you, but you'd come out of school and it would be like half full and you wouldn't have really drunk that much water. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't drink that much water. Looking back, after what I've learned now, I should have drunk water. Maybe my acne wouldn't have been that bad if I had drunk more water, because I drink water pretty much at least 1 or 2 glasses a day now, and my skin has definitely calmed down since I've started doing that. So it will take out all the bad stuff that's in your skin and it will just clean out your skin from the inside, which will prevent you from getting acne. So big up the water. And then cleansing your skin, I came across a brand called Nip and Fab, and I use their Teen Skin Breakout Rescue Pads. Just these ones here. They are just brilliant. I'm not into like spending ages on my routine because, let's face it, who wants to spend ages standing in your bathroom putting on all these different moisturisers, creams, serums? You just want to clean your skin, moisturise your skin and go. I really don't think you should be spending all this money, all of that, just to get a good skincare routine because you've seen it on the internet. And basically what these are like pads with like soaked or pre-soaked in all the stuff you need to clean your skin, and it literally comes with these little pads. They look like that. They just look like cotton wool pads. That's what I'm looking for, cotton wool pads, and they literally come like this. I always take 2, do my cheeks, bring it up to my forehead, take it down, underneath, because you always like blend your foundation down your neck. I also, once a week, go in with the Glycolic Fix Gentle Exfoliating Pads, Nip and Fab as well, and yeah, these honestly, these are so good. They're just exactly the same pads. Take 2, rub it around my face, and it like basically what it does is it like exfoliates your skin and takes all the dead skin cells that are most likely going to cause you like bacteria. But big tip here is if you have oily skin, you definitely don't want to be using these every day, because it does say use once a day to blah 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 daily skin and renew it. No, give you the freaking tea right now. If you've got oily skin, use these once a week, because you're more likely to get more oily skin if you use these like every day. And then removing makeup. If I've ever had a day where I'm wearing makeup, I use the simple skin wipes, just the normal cleansing wipes and the micellar cleansing wipes. I just pick up whichever ones I fancy when I'm in the shop. I'm just like, yep, I'll take them. And there's always a deal, buy 2 for whatever. They come in packs of 2. And it's just like if you come in from like a night out or whatever, or you're wearing loads of makeup that day, you just take 1 and you wipe off all your makeup, and then you take another one. Ladies and gentlemen, use 2, because, cannot stress this enough, if you use 2, then the second one will make sure it takes everything off that you didn't like take off the first time, so you definitely got clean skin before you go to bed, because we all know sleeping in your makeup is not the way to go. Moisturisers. I use the Nip and Fab Purify Teen Skin, again, Teen Skin, Fix Zero Shine Moisturiser. Now, a lot of people will be thinking, why do I want to use a Teen Skin moisturiser when I'm 20 or 18, almost 19, almost, you know, coming out of my teenage years? I feel like, if I'm going to be honest, here's the real tea about the words teen skin. The real tea is that teen skin, in my opinion, you don't have to believe this, you don't have to agree, but in my opinion, teen skin means you've got loads of acne. Yes, you don't have to use it if you're a teenager. Honestly, I think I'm definitely going to be using these products the rest of my life. Not gonna lie, unless I find something else that seriously works, I'm going to definitely be using these teen skin products the rest of my life. So this one, Zero Shine, sort of like help with oiliness of your skin, and it has weird ingredients like wasabi extract, zinc and niacinamide. I'll just write it on the screen. Niacinamide, and that basically will help. It basically helps the appearance of the uneven skin tone. So basically, if you've got redness or anything like that, put this on and it, just even it out. So I used to use this when I used to go to the gym, because I don't go anymore because I don't have enough money to. But yeah, when I used to go, I'd put this on afterwards, and it would just calm my skin down, because obviously when you're working out you sweat, you get redness on your face, blah blah, all that. Calms it down. And then the other moisturiser I use has been heavily raved about, and it's the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo. And this, it's not really defined as a moisturiser, but it has moisturising properties in it. So I would say that it's a moisturiser in my opinion, because it definitely has that consistency of a moisturiser. And it basically anti-marks and anti-reoccurrence. So basically, a mark on your face would be a spot or redness or anything like that. So you just put this bad boy onto your skin, and then if you do it every day, then you're more likely to get better results. But if you're like me and you don't necessarily follow your skincare routine every day, you won't necessarily get the results, but it still works. It's not like it won't work if you're not using it regularly. If you use it 2 or 3 times a week, good on you, you'll probably still get results. But that's just any skincare though. And if I stopped drinking water, my skin would go down, or if I stopped cleaning my skin all the time, it would go back to, so I'm just saying the obvious here. I don't know why I needed to say that, to be honest. Let's just move on. But yeah, this is just great. Anti-infections, anti-marks, I love this brand, but most of it is in French or some other language, so can't really understand it, but I understand the bit where it says apply to whole face morning and or evening. And the only reason I bought this is because I saw Mark Ferris and loads of people raving about it and talking in more depth about it, because they actually know what it does. Oh, here we go. Corrective, unclogging, anti-imperfections. So it will unclog your pores, which, yes, ladies and gentlemen, we all need to do. And there's somebody at my door, so I'll be back in a minute. So I'm back, and basically the next one I'm going on to is masks and night care. Now you might think, night care? What? But it's always good to keep your skin great while you sleep. So when I go to sleep, not all the time, only if I've got a big spot or a couple of big ones, whatever, that sounds gross, but just giving you the true tea here, that happens. Now you might think, why am I holding this to the camera? But Sudocrem is pretty good for acne. Now a lot of people would know it as nappy rash cream and all of that for babies, but they have a skincare cream, and I can't tell you how great this is for calming your spots down. And you literally just apply it to your spot, Like, you get a little bit out, put it on your finger, and like apply it onto your spot. You don't rub it in, you just apply it onto your spot, and then you go to sleep and you do your like 8 hours of sleep. You wake up in the morning, you probably will still have it on your face, but you just rub it in, and then everything will just be toned down, and you wouldn't have got rid of it completely. It would just be like toned down, and the more you do it, the more likely you are to get rid of your spots. And it's honestly like so good for acne. I discovered this when I was younger, forgot about it for a couple of years. Now it's come back to me, and honestly I can't understand how I forgot about this, because it's just like a gem in your skincare routine. And this mask is honestly hands down one of the best masks I have ever used, and it is the Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask. Literally, I don't even know how to describe this product other than it's so good. It's like £5 from like Boots or Superdrug, and it comes in a little like glass pot with a plasticky lid, and then it has like a little mini lid on the inside, but if you use it a lot, it will get stuck on the top of it, so yeah. And it just comes in a little pot, and you just literally scoop a bit out, put it on your face. You all know how masks work, right? But this Blemish Rescue Mask is so good. Now, if you've got quite bad acne, this will like draw everything to the surface the first time you use it, and then like the next time you use it, which hopefully will be the next day, it then like tones everything down. So yeah, that is just, seriously, you leave it on for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or however long you leave it until you remember that you've got it on, and then you take it off. And it's honestly like, for £5 you get so many uses out of this little pot, and it's so worth buying. And they do loads of different ones in the range as well. This is my favourite mask. I've never found a mask that works as well as this mask does, and honestly I'm grateful. Yeah, that is all the goodies that I use to help with my skin. Now, in this video I've said it tones it down and all of that, because I feel like not all the products I use have ever, like, I would say they have gotten rid of some spots on my face, but I would never like say that it completely like got rid of my acne 100%, and I would just say that it like just like tones down the look of my skin. I'd say, because normally my skin's quite like flared up and I've got quite bad acne, but with the products it like tones it down, so it looks like I have got less acne, it looks calmer. But obviously the more you use the products, and if you stick to the routines, if you like create a little skin schedule and all of that, then it will literally look, you might get rid of it completely. But obviously I don't use all these products daily, and I don't obviously like stick to a routine that well. And if you have bad skin, maybe try one of these products and then let me know how it goes in the comments below. That's if I get any comments. This is my first video, so who knows. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, because I've got loads of ideas planned, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this and I enjoy making them. So yeah, I doubt if they'll be regular at the moment, but I'll try and get one out every week, who knows. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.